Welcome to Truehost Academy. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to access your WordPress dashboard directly from cPanel. Whether you're a seasoned site owner or a newbie, this quick tutorial will help you manage your WordPress site with ease. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your cPanel account. Open your web browser and enter your cPanel URL, which is typically in the format yourdomain.com/cPanel or yourdomain.com 2083. Enter your username and password provided by your hosting provider and click Login. If you have trouble logging in or don't know your cPanel URL, contact your hosting provider support team. They can provide you with the correct URL and help you reset your password if necessary. Once you're in the cPanel dashboard, you can click on the WordPress Manager by Soft Oculus on the left sidebar to access WordPress management, or simply scroll down to find the software or application section. Here you should see an option for WordPress or WordPress Manager. Click on it to proceed. In the WordPress section, you'll see a list of all your WordPress installations. Find the installation for the site you want to manage. Next to the installation, look for a button or link labeled Admin or Log in to WordPress. Click on it. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the WordPress login page for your site. You may access your WordPress dashboard directly or be required to enter your WordPress username and password, then click Log in. This is how you can log in to your WordPress site directly from cPanel. However, this option only applies to WordPress installations done directly through Soft Oculus. It will not work for sites transferred from another host. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard, where you can manage your site, create posts, and customize settings. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your WordPress dashboard from cPanel. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.